You are now watching.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we'll be making Indiana Jones. Alright, it's the best I could do. One of my fans requested this, so I did the best I could. You can change the hair color to like the younger Indiana Jones, the ones you guys probably remember him as. Well, let's just jump right into it. Alright, let's go to this one right here, and then he does have like a little 5 o'clock shade, like a little beard going on. So it's optional. It's optional. Whatever looks better for you. Anyways, let's go to this one right here. This little thing right here, and then the color, skin tone. Let's go with the hairstyle. I'm gonna go this real quick. By the way, hairstyle, color. Like I said, you can go with the older Indiana Jones, like the from that last movie, or you can do, you can do the original with that color. So it's up to you. It's the way you want it. So, with that being said, we go to eyebrows. Pick these right here. Position. Pause the video. Miss Iglehart just jumped in. Let me pause the video quick. Alright, so pause the video. Get this real quick. And the same color as the hair. Alright, so we go down to the eyes. You pick these eyes right here. He's always got that like mean look in his face. Pause the video. This is Indiana Jones. Eye color is that right there. He has blue eyes. Okay. Nose. Want to pick that one right there. Position. Pause the video if you have to. Get that real quick. Mouth. He's got that one. Position. Pause the video. Get that. Alright. Mole. Nothing. No facial hair. And that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you make Indiana Jones. You can have him in Smash and all that. So, like I said, it was requested by a fan, and here he is. Best I could do. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen.